Hi everyone, it's Rene with Why Am I Green? And today I'm going to do something. This is a very on-the-spot type video. Raluca was eating her lunch. Well, let me show you what she was doing. Raluca was eating her lunch and actually interrupted her lunch. She was having pate and these tomatoes. And she says, you know, I really love these tomatoes. I wonder if we can grow these. So she showed me what they were. Here they are. They are organic Biologiques. It says wash before eating. What else does it say here? But they are organic. They're from Canada. So I figured, hey, let's go ahead and give it a shot and see if we can grow them. And that's what we're going to do. Okay, here's what we're going to do. Raluca already gave me some of the seeds. She already plucked some of the seeds out. But I want to do something a little different. So let's go ahead and look at these tomatoes. There's two of them. And I'm going to go like this and slice them fairly thin if I can. Oops, that's not slicing really thin. Let's get a better knife. This is that Ginsu knife that says you could slice a tomato so thin that you could feed a family of 6 for a week. It slices, it dices. It should be making a commercial here, right? And what I'm trying to do is get the tomato with the seeds, and I'll explain that in just a minute why. And we're going to take this here, and we're going to go right over here. Are you ready? Follow, 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 just to show the chain of custody, right? Let's see, we'll go this way here, and maybe I'll get some light on the subject so you can see the soil here. So what I'm going to do here with the soil, since we're in the kitchen, I'm going to use my fancy soil apparatus here. And I'm going to put the soil a little bit to the side just so I could have some to cover them up. This soil is a little wet because I had something else planted in here that didn't work out. And if you watched my last video, you'll know what it was. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some of these. I made quite a mess already. I'm just going to spread them out. And this should give me a whole mess of tomatoes. And I'm not even going to have to water it because since the tomatoes are wet already, they're going to keep this moist enough until the plants come up. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually even going to, just to give it a little bit more chance of going, I'm even going to, oops, they all went in one spot. I was going to even take some of these other ones that Raluca gave me and spread them out a little bit. Now we're just going to cover them with soil.
Okay.
Just cover it up with a little bit of soil. Push that down a little bit. Yes, gardening that can be done in the kitchen with a fork.
You don't have to put them deeper?
No. But use a spoon so you can get every last drop. No. Okay. I'm kidding about the spoon. But thank you for getting that for me. I'm pushing them down. Shouldn't hurt them too much. I just want to get them just so they're out of sight, but not too deep.
And keep them away from Mitzi.
And keep them away from the cat because she ate my last plant. And okay, so you can observe this while I get the last part. We're going to do the octopus. What is an octopus?
Guess who's there?
Yeah, don't be watching this. Don't watch this. I know what you're doing. Okay, this is the octopus part. It is cling wrap. Boy, don't I hate using this stuff. Okay, let's see. We get a nice big piece of cling wrap. Maybe I'll put it right on there right away. How's that? And close it.
It doesn't, you have to...
I'm trying to get to the... Oops. That was supposed to be on one side or the other, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if I can still get it. Whoa, there we go, I cut.
I don't really like this one. I'm going to get the regular kind.
Okay. So all I got to do is just, come on, get it so it stays. And I'm going to put it in a nice dark area, and we'll see how long it takes. So I will let you know. I'll actually do another video to show you once they've sprouted. So here we are about 1 week later, and guess what? The Organics Biologique tomatoes, those little cherry tomatoes, came up. I've been checking them about 3 days later, nothing. 4 days later, nothing. And it's been about a full week. And actually it was yesterday I checked them, and they must have sprouted like maybe 2 days ago, because they had already grown to the top. I had Reynolds wrap on the top of this covering it, and they were already hitting the Reynolds wrap and bending over. That's why they're quite leggy right now. Today was their first day of full sun, so what I'm going to do is keep them in the sun, let them get a little stronger, and transplant them in little individual trays. And of course, as you know, with tomatoes, you can actually bury them right up the stalk, and they'll grow roots as far as you bury them. So what I'll do is I'll bury them deeper to give them some strength, so they're not real leggy and they fall over. So, were we able to grow tomatoes that you like into tomato plants? The answer to that was yes. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye now.